Since the results came out 5 days ago, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given 3 fairly long speeches. One at the Central Hall of Parliament, second one was at Ahmedabad, and the third one was at Varanasi. And it looks like Prime Minister Narendra Modi is unhappy with the Indian media and political analysts who he calls political pundits. On May 27, Narendra Modi made his first visit to Varanasi after the results. He thanked all the BJP workers and people of Varanasi for making BJP's victory possible. Taking it from there, he took a dig at political pundits, claiming that there were attempts made to create a false impression about him and BJP.
वे दो काम करती रहती है। किसी भी हालत में हमारे विषय में सही परसेप्शन न बने, किसी भी हालत में न बने, इसके लिए जो भी झूठ का सहारा लेना पड़े। और दूसरा, एक है जैसे परसेप्शन सही न पहुंचे, तो दूसरा है हो सके उतने तर्क कुतर्क करके परसेप्शन को बर्बाद किया जाए, बिगाड़ा जाए, एक ऐसा भयानक परसेप्शन बना दिया जाए कि लोग पास खड़े रहने से डर जाए। ये 70 साल तक चला है।
He went on to say that some people are into selective judgment and have created a hate narrative against the BJP and him. The PM was clearly hinting at media and the opposition. He said media's selective reportage has been biased. He talked about how BJP workers have been targeted in Kerala, West Bengal and Jammu and Kashmir, but the media did not highlight them. Talking about the opposition identity, Modi said that when BJP forms the government, the opposition is heard, unlike what happened in Tripura for 30 years under the communists' rule. He took a jibe at political pundits and Delhi media for not questioning this. It was because of the media that there is a portrayal that BJP is an untouchable among political parties. Not just in Varanasi. At the Central Hall of Parliament, Modi has cautioned his newly elected MPs to stay away from media and focus instead on work.
टीवी के वो डंडे में पता नहीं क्या ताकत होती है, खोल देता है मुंह तुरंत, कुछ भी बोल देते हैं। और जो बोलते हैं तो वो 24-48 घंटे तक उनकी दुकान चलती है और हमारी परेशानी बढ़ती है। कल्पना बाहर का नुकसान हमें होता है। छपने का जो मोह होता है वो, और टीवी पे दिखने का जो मोह होता है, इससे अगर बच के चलते हैं तो हम बहुत कुछ बचा सकते हैं।
Perhaps Modi was explaining why he never addressed a press conference in his entire term and refused to engage with them except on a few one-on-one TV interviews where he appeared to take a few tough questions. The only time he presented himself at a press conference, he made a brief remark but bounced all questions to party president Amit Shah. Narendra Modi does seem to have an aversion for the media, which perhaps goes back to the aftermath of Gujarat riots. But will the aversion be restricted just not doing press conferences in the next 5 years? Media is hoping there is nothing more to it.